In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create sales reports with the Sales Analytics tool in HubSpot. To do that, you first need to head over to the Sales Analytics by going over to the Reports and then clicking onto the Sales Analytic option. If you can find it, it's typically under Sales as well, and clicking onto this Sales Analytic will include you into the page for the Upgrade UI. As you have noticed, the Sales Analytic is available onto the Sales Hub Professional, or we're currently under the Service Hub Professional. If you want, you can start a 14-day free trial for this if you would want. Now, in there, you can see all the sales insight that you need on your fingertips. You can just select or create a report type such as deals closed, sales activity, and revenue performance, and create a custom report based on that. You can also set filters for date ranges, owners, and pipeline, and apply those filters and customize reports by selecting the metrics to display, chart types, and properties. Save and export it onto your dashboard. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video actually helped you out. If you haven't signed up for HubSpot yet, make sure to use our affiliate links given in the video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.